I have something very unique here for you. I think you're going to like this one a lot. This is Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness, bringing to you today a Rainforest Jasper 12-inch pendulum. Now I want to come in on the pendant and let you see the angle of that prism. It's so neat. Oops. And then, of course, look at all these beautiful earth tones in this Jasper. I just love it. So Rainforest Jasper has properties of earth healing and connection with nature, finding all the joy in life, having a feeling of hope and renewal, which makes perfect sense going along with Mother Nature. And that's exactly how this pendulum makes me feel. Very rounded and connected. Very inspired with hope. And I love how the glass pendant here is so interestingly cut. Look at that shape. And it's almost smoky. Come up a little closer and really let you see that cut. Very, very, very unique. I love it. I even love the wrap up here at the top, the way it looks so earthy. So, beautiful. Somebody out there is a grounded earth goddess, and I know she needs this. So it's here waiting for you. Come get it. Meanwhile, we're going to give her a little try, get her warmed up and ready till she goes home with her earth mama or daddy. All right, giving a little 45 degrees for momentum. Show me a yes. She gives me a nice yes. All right, little 45 degrees for momentum. Show me a no. And there's my circle. And my stop. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So if you are ready for some Rainforest Jasper in your life, then this is very likely the pendulum for you. Look at those colors. Oof. Somebody needs to get her before I decide to keep her. All right. Have a beautiful, inspired, hope-filled day.